So this question is from Pooja, a 35-year-old working professional from Bangalore. She keeps most of her savings in fixed deposits and savings accounts for safety. While her capital is protected, the low returns fail to beat inflation, making it difficult for her money to grow enough for long-term goals like her child's education and her retirement.
Okay, Pooja. So your problem is that you don't want to take risk. That is why you have been investing most of your money in safe deposits. But today, the biggest risk over a long term is not taking risk, because you are not going to beat inflation and your purchasing power over time is going to reduce the value of your money. Let us explain this reducing purchasing power by taking an example. So एक friend था मेरा, तो 2001 में उसके पास 10 लाख रुपए थे and अभी वो job के लिए out of country जा रहा था. So this 10 lakh rupees, he had the option where he could put this money either in fixed deposits or he could decide to invest in equity based mutual funds. So if this person decided to put this money in fixed deposits, and during this 25 years the fixed deposit would have yielded around 7% return annually compounded, so his 10 lakh rupees would be close to 65 lakh rupees. But if he decided to put this money in an equity fund or even in a hybrid equity fund, this money would have grown at about 13% in these 25 years. He would have got a corpus close to 2 crore rupees, which is what the house is costing today in 2025, which had earlier in 2001 was costing 10 lakh rupees. So where is the risk? Risk is for such a long period of 25 years, आपका जो purchasing power है वो ड्रास्टिकली रिड्यूस हो गया. आपके 10 लाख रुपए 7% पे are only making 65 lakh rupees, whereas the cost of the house has gone up to about 2 crore rupees. So today the risk is even higher if you are not taking inflation into consideration. So that is why you should invest a small portion of your money depending on your risk profile in equity or equity based hybrid funds which have the potential to deliver a decent inflation beating return over the longer term.